someone who shows us love.
I see. Thank you so much. As in, nobody won't even talk to me at all. As in, just say,
As a
no
friend
one
now.
will listen.
This time I don't got the dog of this of
I see now some people. It's now some people where I go there, they go slap me.
I just
Some
say
go do
God,
it.
God of Jesus, God of Jesus. I used to that.
Mama will get gift for you,
Okay.
and so get gift. More than support your business.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Take 5,000 naira more.
Thank you.
No, take am, take am, take am. I don waka well here today. Thank you, thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. I appreciate. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. My people follow me waka for this journey. Man, people really dey pass through a lot. I decided to act like mad person. Make I see who will really show me love. Guess my people. Man, as I dey do this video, kai, see how people dey look me. People dey look me saka. Some people no wan near me. People dey run for me and all. Just dey watch wetin just happen. Just settle down, no hurry for this video. At least you go learn one or two for this video. You go tell yourself whether for outside you really dey show love to people. You really dey kind wey you see people like this. Just see the way people dey look me. Some people dey laugh. Some people just dey think different things wey I no really know. Just dey watch wetin dey happen. I go dey tell you. Make you see how they do. The mic for here, I no know why mic no work. I no really know wetin happen. See, this one just run for me. E no wan even hear wetin I wan talk. E just run for me. E no wan even pass there again. E because of me, e just run. See this other one pass this other side. Hey! As I dey do this video, for my mind say, na so these people dey pass through. Even this one even hold something for one wey dey drink, but e no wan even give me anything. No be this one say I even ask for money, I even say food. At least person wey be say really dey care, suppose also care. Make I even give am this drink wey I dey, whether I go collect. See all those people for that other side, nothing wey all those one not talk. Some go say, some say e be like say dey form am. Some say that. Some say if I near am now, I no know whether e go hit me. Just see this white man. See how this white man say go still run for me. This man wey wear white and white. Just see wetin happen. Just dey watch my brothers and my sisters. Just dey watch wetin happen for here. See the man. I never even near at all. The man don take off. Hey! I say na wow. So na so people dey pass through now. He just dey run for me. No one even hear anything about me. This other girl dey open gate for people wey wan come. E dey watch. E dey look me. See the other one wey be wan pass. Everybody just dey hold way whether they dey fear. They just dey fear. This other man wey him hand bag like Jehovah Witness. See this other man, they see say as that man don pass, I not touch them before they come still get mine. They dey waka again. They be no even wan go waka again. My people, no be small thing really happen. See all these people, they just dey laugh, and I mean that they laugh like this. Nothing wey all these people not talk. Na me all these boys just laugh. As I was also comot for this location, I said they call me, hey, we no know say na park. Hey, then na know say you wan show love. So it must be whether you wan know whether na real be this thing before you wan show me love. As I dey do this video, inside my mind say, my people dey pass through a lot. People dey pass through a lot. Just see the watch, and so I see the waka. I just see the do like person wey no really me. Make I really see who will really show me love. I see okay, this area. See this other man. No be Shavia. The man won't because of me enter God herself. He won't be that enjoy himself because of me like this. No one near me. No one will know wetin I want talk, wetin I not do. So Mona no mind the cameraman. And my girl na do this camera. Not be real cameraman. No worry. Next time he will do better. So Mona just manage the video as I see. As I say, I've been a fans. So make una just manage the video like that. So this video, as soon as they watch am, make sure say you share am. Remember say from today go all our video what would they do? Na giveaway. As I say you share, even though na card or anything or data, you must reach your hand. See, now me all these people see they run for. My people na so we see they do. We they do. I still dey here. People dey see me, some dey watch. See dat man sef wey first run for me still go dey watch again, dey watch me for back, still dey watch me for back. You don comot na, why you come still dey watch me? Abi you wan come dey pity me again? See I still dey watch me. So you no wan even know whether anything no be I even get dis from. Na dis other man wey hold phone for hand so, wey dey back of dis man wey wear white, na him later come me again when he don hear say na prank. Dis other house na him enter. See how people dey look me dey pass. People dey say wetin be dis one? While those boys dey just dey laugh me, my people. No be small thing really happen for dis video. As I dey do dis video even when I comot for dis video, I say so na so people dey pass through no be small thing o. See dis other man, because of me he go follow that side, no wan follow where I follow. No be I even dey smell sef. Whether I even dey smell I no know. Whether wetin I pour for I no know. Even though I smell, I no even suppose to smell like that. See. Because of me, these two people divide. They prefer they waka together. This small people dey run for me. Even these two people let the waka. They divide themselves. This one follow that, this one follow that. This no be me. With this other man follow this other side. They look me. No be small thing happen for this location. So you know, people they gather for me. They watch me. Hi. No be small thing happen for here. My brothers and my sister. See this white part, they look me say, wetin be this one? As in, see this people again. See, they come dey run. See, I still beg this one. For where? This man still take off. I hold on. He drug himself. He said, beg. I mean, you do. He para for me, change am for me, speak Yoruba. Now we don enter another location. See wetin still happen for this location. This location, some Yoruba. Sorry, if you be a Yoruba sense person, but not vex o. Some of una wey be say una don grow, you reach 20, 25, 30. Now most of una no get sense at all. Una lack sense. I cut many places comot for here. You see say some people see say I did because I did do the video. See one woman where I dey beg. This woman for where? This woman say me I no near am. I will beg her. This man no wan even hear. No wan hear at all. So Yoruba people for here wan spoil the video. Person papa because most people wey dey do this thing wey be say I cut comot for here, video wey I cut comot for here, na people papa na dey misbehave. No be even children. People papa na dey misbehave for here. No be small thing. You go see say I wan get come. The girl take off for me. Take off. Nothing wey they no mention for here. People papa come just dey mumu themselves. They call colos, no colos. They pass the video up and down. I don cut that place comot. Now they even make even my mic. I no know wetin make my mic not really work. I no really understand wetin happen at all. I no know wetin happen. So make una just manage am with this voice note at all. So see this other one now. He just dey mumu himself. Dey mumu himself because he don see say camera dey there. Come dey mumu himself. So before you know na we will come up for this location. Also come up for this location. You will see where one girl they come. So we are dey wait. One girl will come see pass. Another guy. And see this girl now. This girl so just dey watch her. See wetin this girl go do me. See this girl go do me. See this girl go do me. Dey watch. This girl don dey run. No one your ear. He take off for me. The girl take off. The girl take off for me. The girl take off. No be small thing take off, my people. Take off for me. This bike man. This man look me. Na say dey look. No, I won't even fall for back. He dey look me. He won't fall for back. He dey look me. He won't fall for back. He just dey look me. Say, I think this one. He won't fall for back. So see another man now. That man change am for me. Now Yoruba man see. Wait, where this thing? Wey be say I know say this man now. I believe say since these 2 days, maybe almost about 3 months. Now I never go see 5,000 naira for her. This video now for who show me love. I go give her 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira now. If you go market, if you see slap the person where they say something, say something for me, you go slap am. See here, I dey beg for Kenaiza. For Kenaiza, be say I don't know how much they cut the pump tire, whether na 500. I beg am, I lean down for am. For Kenaiza say tata, say money no dey, change no dey. Whether na 5 naira you wan give me, abi 10 naira no dey. Say change no dey. He no even care. He tell me say no get. Later I say no change no dey. My brother, na the end of the day. My brothers and my sister. As dis woman see me, sha Jesus, wetin be dis one? Wetin be dis one? And so I just dey carry their drink, I just scatter their drink. As I dey say no, make I leave am. Dey go carry, the woman enter inside me, go carry cold one. Say I get up, you wan go carry, say make I leave that one, you wan go carry cold one come. Cold one. As I land down for ground, that one whether na im daughter I no know. That one say make I get up, make I get up, make I get up, make I get up. No be small thing. Say make I get up, make I get up. As people give me the drink, I see that the drink, I say make I get up, say make I get up. So now my camera woman wan near am now, wan near us. So you know say I don sit down and say person don show love. So time wey we do so, na go take watch where the video take finish. So this woman really try, this woman really show love. So if you know say you get anything wey you wan see show give this woman, anything, so just comment below and how it happen. So I will leave una make una watch this video for here now. So no be small thing. Thank you so much. As in, nobody wan even talk to me at all. As in, just say no one will listen.
This time I don't got the dog of Jesus.
It's not for people where I would do, they will slap me.
I just
So
the
go do
God of Jesus, God of Jesus. I used to that.
Mama will get gift for you.
Okay.
And so get gift. More than support your business.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Take 5,000 naira more.
Thank you.
No, take am. I don't work out well here today. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. I appreciate it. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.